if truly you have decided to change, the 4 things you have to do. 4 things. Number one, you have to give yourself a quiet time to think whether you really want to change. Number two, you have to accept all your mistakes. Accept all. Believe that you are wrong somewhere. Number three, you have to change your mindset. The way you used to think before, you have to change it. And number four, you have to cut off some what company you used to keep. After then, ask forgiveness and make a decision and follow that your decision and move on with your life. Changes will come into your life. God bless you. From King Pride Okono.